KeRanger, FileCoder, MacRansom, and EvilQuest are 4 separate ransomware families that have been identified by Microsoft as having an effect on Apple macOS computers. Although these malware families are ancient, the Security Threat Intelligence team of the IT behemoth wrote in a study on Thursday that they exemplify the variety of capabilities and harmful behavior achievable on the platform. These ransomware families first spread through what the creator of Windows refers to as user-assisted techniques, in which the victim downloads and sets up Trojanized software. It can furthermore come as a second-stage payload delivered by malware that already resides on the infected host or as a component of a supply chain assault. Regardless of the assault strategy used, the attacks follow a similar pattern in which threat actors use legal operating system capabilities and weaknesses to gain access to the computers and encrypt important information. This involves listing files using library functions like opendir, readdir, and closedire, as well as the Unix search program. Microsoft mentioned another approach, although the ransomware strains did not use it, than's File Manager Objective-C interface. In an effort to thwart analysis and debugging efforts, malware such as KeRanger, MacRansom, and EvilQuest have also been seen to employ a combination of hardware and software-based tests to establish whether the malware is operating in a virtual environment. Notably, KeRanger uses the strategy of delayed execution to avoid discovery. After being launched, it sleeps for 3 days before resuming its destructive operations. Launch agents and kernel queues are used to establish persistence, which is necessary to ensure that the malware is launched even after a system restart, according to Microsoft. While KeRanger employs ICE encryption and cipher block chaining, CBC, mode to accomplish its objectives, FileCoder uses the zip program to encrypt files. On the other hand, both MacRansom and EvilQuest use a symmetric encryption technique. In addition to standard ransomware functions, EvilQuest, which was initially discovered in July 2020, also has Trojan-like characteristics including keylogging, compromising macOS files by inserting arbitrary code, and deactivating security tools. Additionally, it has the ability to run any file straight from memory, essentially erasing any evidence of the payload from the disk. As attackers continuously improve their methods and broaden their tradecraft to cast a larger net of possible targets, ransomware remains one of the most pervasive and damaging dangers affecting enterprises, according to Microsoft.